Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Neha Saga, working as functional consultant here. So today's topics are field status variant, chart of accounts, account group, and retained earning. So let's start. So field status variant. What is field status variant? It is an basic setting. Basically, field status variant is related to general ledger accounts. While posting entries, we use various fields, or may say it is a mandatory requirement to complete a journal entry like text, cost center, or value date. So, and 0001 is standard parameters that is defined by SAP. So let's see how it works. Go to the screen. Yeah. So financial accounting global settings, ledger, fields, define field status variant. So 0001 is standard one in SAP. So highlight this and click on copy. So it has been copied. We can give any name, any 4-digit alphanumeric code. So I'm giving FG02 FIG2 field status for FIFA details. FIFA details. So this pop-up will show copy all, only copy entry or cancel. So we'll copy all the entries. Copy all. So number of 43 entries has been copied. The next step is FIG2 is our field status group. So select this and click on field status group. So there are different type of parameters for the general data. Say these are the field status group for different kind of heads, different type of heads. There are different type of field status group. So we'll see while creating general entries what effect it has. So just I'm clicking on bank accounts, then click on general data. Suppose I'm creating a general ledger account for bank. What parameter should apply while posting the entry is based on what is given here, and we cannot complete the entry without filling such data. So what is suppress? Suppress means it remains high. It will not display at the time of creating journal entry. Whereas required means it is a mandatory field. You have to, if you click here, then you have to enter the data at the time of creating journal entry. And optional means it is optional. It will allow us to post the entry whether or not you enter such data. So for example, if I click here on required entry in the column text, then what will happen? At the time of creating journal entry, I have to enter text, otherwise it will not allow me to post the entry. So right now I'm keeping it optional and just save it. Save. Go back. After creating field status group, we have to assign it to the company code assignment. So select here FIG to our field status group. Sorry, our company name FI02. FI02 FIFA retail field status name is FIG2. Then save it. Go back. Now, chart of accounts. So what is chart of accounts? Chart of account is a list of general ledger account master data that fall under the different account group of company code. It is defined at client level, okay, and it assigned to company code. So what happens in live scenario? Client provide a requirement for chart of account. Accordingly, we will prepare chart of account for them. So some, for example, some client want 4-digit chart of account, some client want 6-digit chart of account. So it is totally depend upon their requirement and their business size. And whenever we consolidate company's chart of account with group chart of account, then of course it would give better financial reports. Now, further, there are three types of chart of accounts: operating chart of account, group chart of account, and country specific chart of account. So, operating chart of account is mandatory. Operating chart of account contains the general ledger account that you use for the daily posting in your company code, say expense, revenue, asset, liabilities, and so on. So, financial control, financial accounting, and controlling both use these chart of accounts. What is group chart of accounts? It contains the general ledger that are used by corporate group. This enable group reporting. Now, country specific chart of accounts. A country specific chart of account contains the general ledger account needed to meet a specific country's legal reporting requirement. So, I'll explain you with such example. So this is a FIFA group. It has a salary account of 5001, which is 4-digit. And whereas these company codes are maintaining FIFA retail and FIFA hospitality 10,001 and 601, which is 5-digit and 3-digit chart of account, which differs from group chart of accounts. So this parent company asks these companies to maintain group chart of account. So whenever the salary expense is clubbed with this parent company, it should know that this 501 account is for salary expenses. Generally, what companies do? They maintain group chart of account as their operating chart of account. Still, in some time, what happened now? Parent company instruct this company to maintain 5-digit chart of account, but this company say no, I want to maintain 6-digit chart of account only. Or sometime it may be required to prepare chart of account as per their country's legal requirement. So in such case, what parent company do? It prepare group chart of account and float it with this company codes and give instruction to them. Whenever you are reporting under me, you should report based on such group chart of account. So let's see how to create chart of account. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, general ledger, the general accounts and preparations, then edit chart of account list. So here we want to create a new entry, chart of account. So we can give any name to it, whatever you want to give. I am giving FIF2 description, chart of account of FIFA. Maintain language. I have to maintain in English language. Length. So what is length? Length is nothing but it depends on you that how many digits you want while creating group. So I want to give 5. You can give any number up to 9. I'm giving 5. You can give any number. It is depend on you upon your business size also. So what is group chart of account? As I explained you earlier, whenever whenever company codes chart of account differ from the group chart of account, then parent company give create chart of account and float them. So they give their chart of account number. So in that case, we have to uh, give it here. Okay. So in my case, I'm not giving anything. Just save it. FIF2 has been created. Okay, go back. Now the next step is assigning company code to chart of account. Position company code FI02. Enter. Here give chart of account name FIF2 and save it. Go back. So next is accounts group. So what is account? It is a summary of general ledger account that affects how much data created. It is a number interval. We create a number range under this, which where multiple general ledger accounts will be created. Okay. So while creating general ledger account, you must specify an account group. And such account group for general ledger account are based on the chart of accounts. Okay. So let's see. Define account group. Click on new entry. Now we start reading. Our chart of account name is FIF2 account group. First of all, I want to create for current liabilities. Current liability. I have written there 5 digits, so I can create up to 5 digit only. Of 5 digit only. So FIF2, then AP, accounts payable, fixed asset. There is no hard and fast rule. You can give any range here, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, any. It's up to you, your size of business. Yeah, kind of then CV. Material consumption. MS. So whenever you create GL account under this group, you have to maintain such range. For example, if you are creating any account under accounts payable, so you have to create general ledger account from between 12,001 to 13,000. Okay, that's it. Now save this. Sanding order. Okay, back. Now, what is now next step is retain earning account. So what is retained earning account? Why it is necessary? It is such an important configurations that help to transfer the balance of profit and loss account to balance sheet. Without creating retained earning account, it would not be open at the time of journal ledger creation. Okay, journal entry creation. So when I'm transferring balances of general ledger account, let's say I gave GL a retained earning account X, so that system will automatically calculate it whether it has debit or credit balance. Okay, so I'm giving X here. Just a second. Go back, cancel, define retained earning account, give chart of account name. So why it is asking for chart of account here? You have to give chart of account because we want to integrate this configuration with my general ledger account. So my chart of account name is FIF2, right? Click. So I'm giving X here, and we no need to give anything here. Just save it, enter account. Don't enter anything and just save it. So retained earning account has been created. Okay, changes has been made. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening.